Hello and welcome. I am James Green of Uber Solar, and this is a short video on a 150 litre solar geyser retrofit system, and it's designed to give you the information that you need. Now, what we do is we use your existing electric geyser and we install a solar collector on the roof, preferably facing north. And then we pump the geyser water through a reticulation ring into and out of the solar collector using a solar electric panel and a solar pump. And over a period of 6 to 8 hours, the geyser water will get hot. Now, when you look at an electric geyser of 150 litres, it will provide basically enough hot water at 40 degrees Celsius for around 2 to 4 people to shower each day. And every time the water is used, the cold water comes into the geyser and the temperature will drop. And when the temperature is dropped by 5 degrees Celsius, the electric element will turn on again. However, just as background, to heat one tank of 150 litres will take around 2 hours and 40 minutes with a 3 kilowatt element. Now, when going solar, we recommend that you put in a solar collector that has a deemed 100% efficiency of the replacement of that 7.5 kilowatts, which means that we use 24 tubes. If you have a smaller system with 18 tubes, it will be around 75% efficient. Here is a couple of examples of a 24 tube system on roofs, but because every home is different, we have to have a large amount of flexibility. And if necessary, we can increase the number of tubes from, say, 24 to 30 to compensate for bad orientation, inclination, or shade. And likewise, if you do increase the number of tubes, there's the potential to increase the temperature of the water from the projected 60 degrees to, say, 70 degrees by just having a slightly larger engine. Now, of course, weather and the seasons affect performance, and therefore you need the electrical backup, which is already in your geyser, and it will be used for bad weather days and to compensate for those shorter days in winter when the levels of solar irradiation are less and the water is colder. And a timer or an Uber track controller is put on for that purpose. But we also, of course, advise you of the financial performance, and that includes the projected payback on investment, or when you expect to recover the cost of the investment that you've made through the electrical savings, and that will typically be between sort of 2 and 3 years. We also give you the projected return on investment. And with that, I'd like to say thank you very much for listening. You may have more questions and answers that you need to have. You will find a number of videos on the website as explanation, but of course you can call us anytime. And with that, I'd like to say thank you and goodbye.